Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Logistic growth problems look scary, but we can solve this quickly by finding where the population grows fastest using the given differential equation right now. First, identify that this is a standard logistic differential equation where the growth rate depends on the current population size and the carrying capacity of 100 in this specific model. Next, we recognize that the growth rate is a downward opening parabola when plotted against the population, meaning the maximum value must occur exactly at the vertex of this quadratic function. Finally, the maximum growth rate for any logistic model always happens at exactly half of the carrying capacity, which gives us 50 for option C. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given info and check your steps carefully.